children's eyes, each gift holds a surprise. Wishing a Merry, Merry Christmas and, and a very Happy New Year!
Christmas!
Come again! Bring presents! The new year, there will be new stories. And they'll be so exciting. Bye-bye. Children know that their parents wish them very best. But when kids grow up, then comes a day when they spread their wings and leave behind their nests. From their homes like birds, they fly away.
But no matter where winding roads have taken you, even if you've traveled far and long, you will find your way back to the place you knew. Home sweet home, the place where you belong.
But it's very special of occasions. Come together, family and friends. Let's enjoy the best of celebrations. Having fun that never, ever ends. Having fun that never, ever ends.
Ice and snow melt and splatter. Spring is here, that's the
No,
proof.
she's not a good
Rains
match
of
for us.
drop pitter patter as they falling from
Let's
the
go.
roof. Rivers run and overflow, but they won't divide best friends. We will pass the high and low.
Now let's run, jump, and skip.
Sea is made of water, sky is made of air, gardens from the flowers, forests from the trees, rainbows made of 7 colors that are bright and fair, and the best of friendships is made from you and me, and the best of friendships is made from you and me.
Maybe we should skate already, maybe?
The ice rings on the river, they glimmer and they shimmer. Grown-ups stay home and shiver, but the kids all run away. They put on skates and go to dance under the snow. Then they transform as they perform the beautiful ballet.
Where can I get my medal? Don't bother me. Ah, of course. It's a bunny. If I see some tracks right now, I know them I'd never fill. A guinea pig, a longhorn cow, a crowley bug, a nightingale. These tracks go in and out, up and down the forest road. Who is running all about? Billy Bear will gladly go. No, just wait now. I think I can. Who walked here for a while? Oh, it was a furry elephant? Or a feathered crocodile? No, I won't lose. Yes, I will win. I know who's been here, too. It's the tropic jungle penguin and the Arctic cockatoo. If I see some tracks right now, I know them I'd never fill. A longhorn pig, a guinea cow, and of course the nightingale.
When you hold this miracle in your hand, shining like the golden sun with light, then the summer morning truly feels grand, and you're happy singing with delight, as the golden fish will make its tail swish. All your fairy tale dreams will come true. Just be nice and good and grant your friends wish. Friends deserve the gift of magic too. As the golden fish will make its tail swish, all your fairy tale dreams will come true. Just be nice and good and grant your friends wish. Friends deserve the gift of magic too.
So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha